management principles to improve the efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness of the organization and its supply chain. Mechanical engineering. This program involves the study of systems in motion and energy conversion. As such, it touches virtually on every modern industry, including the human body and highly complex machines. Computer engineering. In this program, students will learn how computers work, how to improve them, and how to efficiently solve real-world problems covering both the hardware and software aspects of a computer system. Digital engineering. This program is designed to prepare students for rapid changes in digital technology and its applications. It emphasizes the area of application software development based on new trends and data science. Business and supply chain analytics. This program focuses on the application of technology and business management for making informed decisions in the business and supply chain domain. It emphasizes data science techniques such as data visualization, AI, and machine learning, which are essential in today's business world. Civil engineering. This program involves the study of the analysis, design, construction, and maintenance of built environments, such as buildings, roads, bridges, and airports, to answer society's needs. Chemical engineering. This program focuses on the study of the chemical and physical processes used to transform raw materials to develop and make products to improve human life. Electrical engineering. This program covers the fundamental principles and analysis of signals, electric circuits, electronics, digital circuits, and control systems, with possible specializations in communication engineering or power engineering in the later years of study. Industrial engineering and smart logistics. This program teaches students how to organize a team to generate creative ideas, using various engineering and management principles to improve the efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness of the organization and its supply chain. Mechanical engineering. This program involves the study of systems in motion and energy conversion. As such, it touches virtually on every modern industry, including the human body and highly complex machines. Computer engineering. In this program, students will learn how computers work, how to improve them, and how to efficiently solve real-world problems covering both the hardware and software aspects of a computer system. Digital engineering. This program is designed to prepare students for rapid changes in digital technology and its applications. It emphasizes the area of application software development based on new trends and data science. Business and supply chain analytics. This program focuses on the application of technology and business management for making informed decisions in the business and supply chain domain. It emphasizes data science techniques such as data visualization, AI, and machine learning, which are essential in today's business world. Civil engineering. This program involves the study of the analysis, design, construction, and maintenance of built environments, such as buildings, roads, bridges, and airports, to answer society's needs. Chemical engineering. This program focuses on the study of the chemical and physical processes used to transform raw materials to develop and make products to improve human life. Electrical Engineering. This program covers the fundamental principles and analysis of signals, electric circuits, electronics, digital circuits, and control systems, with possible specializations in communication engineering or
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Introduction to Academic Program sessions. I am Associate Professor Dr. Suthatip Suanmali. I'll be a moderator for the Q&A sessions today. This session is organized to help you make the right study program. The program you choose should match your academic goals, your interests. At SIIT, we have 8 academic programs. They are civil engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, industrial engineering and smart logistics, mechanical engineering, computer engineering, digital engineering, and business and supply chain analytics. The information about each academic program has already been announced for weeks via our website. Students have been accessing such video and poster presentation for all programs. So today we will hear the guideline to select the program that fits your interest. In addition, our faculty members will answer questions concerning each academic program today. This is a good opportunity for students and parents to learn more inside information about each academic program before they make a decision. If you have not submitted your questions, we will provide you links to submit your questions via our meeting chat room. You could go to the chat and then click on the link to submit your question. This event is hosted by Academic Service and Registration Divisions and co-hosted by the Chairperson of each 8 programs. Without further ado, may I please invite the Director of SIIT, Professor Dr. Pritha Naknakorn, for an opening speech.
Good morning, everyone. So you have been studying at SIIT for almost a year. And after you finish your first year, then you will move to your second year. And you will have to select your study program before that. So I would like to take this opportunity to give you some interesting information about SIIT. So please allow me to share my screen. Okay. So this slide shows the current numbers of our students. We have almost 2,000 bachelor students and 200 something master degree students and about 100 doctoral students. So in total, we have 2,209 students at SIIT right now. And this is the numbers of our alumni. We have more than 10,000 alumni of bachelor degrees and about 1,000 master degree and 300 something doctoral degrees. So in total, 13,000 alumni. And these show some interesting information about our bachelor degree graduates in academic year 2021. Around 78% of the graduates work right away, and about 20% further their study, and about 5% waiting for job and waiting for further study. Interesting number is our average starting income is 32,000 baht per month. And I would like to show you average starting income of bachelor's degree graduates from various faculties of engineering in Thailand. You can see that we have data from 2017 to 2021. This data is from Thai government. All universities submit their questionnaire information from graduates to the government, and we can get this data from the government. The SIIT numbers are plotted using purple lines on the top, as you can see. And the numbers from other universities are plotted using bars. And the dashed red line represent the maximum numbers. These figures clearly show that SIIT graduates, the average starting income of SIIT graduates are maximum for almost every year, maybe except 2019. So we are the best in Thailand. This slide shows our international students. We have around almost 300 international students from 35 countries. The numbers of international students is about 10% of total number of students. Many students are from Europe, and we also have many students from our neighboring countries. This slide shows our exchange students incoming and outgoing. We always have very high numbers of exchange students until the COVID-19 hit, and obviously the numbers dropped. But now the numbers are recovering, and I expect that we will return to our normal numbers very soon. We have a lot of international partners, universities overseas that work with us. In Europe, many universities. So if you select exchange track, then on your 4th year, you can try to get some courses. You can take some courses at these universities and then return back to SIIT and accredit those subjects and graduate. In Japan, many universities. All of these universities are famous universities. You can do the same. During your 4th year of study, you may select exchange track and then go abroad, take some courses, and come back and graduate. We have many friends around this region, Cambodia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Myanmar, and Laos. So these friends are studying with us. We have many international students from these countries, and also other countries beyond what I have said. As Dr. Suthatip mentioned, we have 8 bachelor degree programs at SIIT for a student to select. But of course, you are placed in different tracks from the start. So we have 3 tracks: Engineering 1, which have 5 programs, as you can see on the slide. Engineering 2, 2 computer programs. And then the last one is Management track. Okay, that's all of what I would like to mention today. So please listen to the presentation by Dr. Shawalit carefully. And then if you have some questions, you may ask those questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Art Director, for an opening remark. The session's first part begins with an overview of the selection process. Deputy Director for the Academic Affairs will discuss the selection criteria and the timeline. Please join me in welcoming Associate Professor Dr. Chawalit Jin Anand.
All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to my sessions. My name is Chawalit. And first of all, I would like to welcome you again to SIIT. You all passed to the selective programs and you study for almost 1 year and you survive. So that's a good sign. So actually you passed through many competitions from the admissions. And then now you study and you will again select the program to join on the second year. So now let me move to the program again. As the director mentioned, we have 3 groups of the study. We already select this group when you apply to SIIT. So we have engineering 1 that consists of the traditional engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, industrial engineering, smart logistics, and mechanical engineering. So right now, I don't know, since we don't see your face, do you think that you could just thumb up to show if you are in the engineering 1? Anyone is in the engineering 1 ครับ? No thumb up. Okay. And the second group, we have the engineering 2, which is computer engineering and digital engineering. Any students in this group, you can thumb up on the icon in the Zoom. No one? I think, oh, thank you, Ajahn Mungkut. And the last group that we have, group of management, we have the program in business and supply chain analytics. Any student in this group? Oh, no student. Okay. All right, now I will move to the program selections. Again, for the program selection that we have, it will be online. Students just simply go to the registration website. The period will be during April 29, which is on this coming Monday, to May 3rd, to May 3rd. So during this period, you can get in, select your program. If you want to change your mind, you can go in and change it again, until May 3rd. And then once the grade are announced, we will have the process to calculate your eGPA, ranking your eGPA, and make the announcements on June 19. So that's the important date that you might want to note down. Now, let's look at the system. This is the registration website. So please go to this registration website right now and you can log in. You can log in. This is the place that you log in. This is where you normally go to register your course, to add, drop your course. Once you log in, you will see the screen on the right-hand side. And there is a menu called program selection. So on Monday, you could start going in there and make the selection. Again, this is a website that you would like to go, log in, and then click on program selection menu. That's the part that's important for you. And for the eGPA, it is equivalent grade point average because some students take some courses, some students do not take some courses. So we design the system such that we can compare all the students together. So we list all of the course that students are supposed to take except TU courses. Those that you have to can take TU grade, and then some of them you can just ACC transfer them. So we will take the courses in your study plan and then calculate the grade. So now let's take a look at some example. In the example that we have, let's assume that this is the group of students in management. นะครับ so student will have the plan to take the courses in the first columns but they somehow take in the second columns so we have the equivalent courses that they can take นะครับ and then we have the credits some of the courses they withdraw นะครับ we will calculate it as 0 นะครับ for the point and some courses they get F นะครับ they get a 0 point นะครับ and now for the grade point what we do is that we multiply the credits with the point for example in the math MAS 116 the credit is 3 the point for C is 2 right? A B C right? A is 4 นะครับ B is 3 นะครับ C is 2 so 3 times 2 we get 6 and then we add up the total credits 12 credits we add up the total grade point 15 then for the first semester ครับ we have the EGPA of 1.25 ครับ so this is example ครับ this is just the example now for the second semester นะครับ student also plan to take these courses but some courses they didn't take it because they want to do some more grade pull up the grade make the grade getting better so we will calculate this course as an F in case that you didn't take this course again and if you have an I the course will be calculated as 0 withdraw is 0 so again we repeat the same thing but now the total credits 15 for the second semester grade point is the total credit is 15 นะครับ total grade point is 16.5 so the EGPA for this semester second semester is 1.10 ครับ but EGPA for semester 1 and 2 we simply have to sum up the total credit from semester 1 and 2 divided by total grade point นะครับ which is from here and then we have the total EGPA for semester 1 and 2 that's how we calculate your EGPA so I hope that you understand this part and then based on this EGPA what we are going to do is that we will calculate it once your grade come out for the second semester and then we will rank them right? We will rank them from the highest to the lowest and then you will have your choice those students who has a high GPA will have their priority to select their program and then we will keep repeating for all of the students until the programs and all of the students complete their selections and there's some questions there's some questions that okay the student cannot get their program they would like to make change it is possible but we would like you to stay in the few semester firstนะครับ before you can change it if you change across the program นะครับ across the group นะครับ for example engineering 1 to management นะครับ for example in this case engineering 1 which is mechanical engineering to management BA นะครับ you can do it in the first semester on the academic year 2024 which is this August you can start to do it but if you change within the same discipline within the same group for example engineering 2 which is computer engineering to computer engineering digital engineering which is in the same group you have to stay in computer engineering for one semester first and then in second semester on 2024 which is January 2025 the date will be January 25 you can start changing your program within the same group so each program they will have the chairperson and the head of school to consider so students can submit their request and then the request will be considered by the head and then go through the academic program and students who would like to change only those students who has a GPA greater than 1.8 นะครับ to change the program because if you keep switching นะครับ you may have to face a new environment new courses so we would like to help you stay in the program first try to pull up your GPA to be more than 2 first so that you can adjust yourself นะครับ to be better suitable for yourself first and then you can change the program okay but remark that because when you change the program there are many courses that you cannot transfer นะครับ so it could delay your graduations instead of having 4 years นะครับ it could be 5 years or even 6 years นะครับ so you need to talk carefully discuss carefully with your parents discuss carefully with your advisor how to make change of the program and then you need to carefully plan on your courses that you have to take in each semester as well ครับ okay thank you so that will be all for my part and again I would like to emphasize that you can get into the website on April 29 which is on this coming Monday until May 3rd you can keep changing until you are happy นะครับ and then the grade announcement and after the grade announcement we will make the complete program selections นะครับ and announce it on June 19 นะครับ alright and if you have any questions you can submit the questions to this QR code ครับ okay
Thank you อาจารย์ชวลิตค่ะ The next one is the Q&A session. The first Q&A session will focus on questions concerning all programs, including general questions about academic selection that apply to all students. This Q&A is hosted by Deputy Director for Academic Affairs, Associate Professor Dr. Chawarit Jin Anand. For students who are interested in asking questions, you could click on the link that provided to you in the chat meeting room in the chat and in our chat if you go there the fourth icon or the fourth link is a link that will bring you to question submission so please feel free to ask anything concerning the academic affair the academic programs so we are going to first start with the first question in general the question that I have that you guys submit earlier is the exempt courses count as F in the eGPA?
Okay, yes, thank you ครับอาจารย์เป็นนะครับ so now again นะครับ so I saw that a few questions asking similar questions นะครับ so for the courses that the student will be used นะครับ they are except those TU courses นะครับ นะครับ so that means that if they has been exempt which are those TU courses those TU courses they are not going to be calculated as an F นะครับ so you can look at this one นะครับ we don't have the TU courses นะครับ so you expected to take these courses and then these courses will be calculatedนะครับ on the GPA that you have นะครับ so the same first two questions นะครับอันนี้
We could move to the next question. If I have already selected the program and confirm it, but after that I would like to edit and change on the chart, can I submit it between April 29 until May the 3rd again?
Yes.
I believe you mentioned about that earlier.
นะครับ so simply you can go in and keep changing นะครับ until you are happy นะครับ until you are happy but make sure that you when you go in submit it and make sure that when you make change you don't forget to confirm your change นะครับ there are many times that student when they make some change and they forget to make confirmations on the website นะครับ so you can change it until May 3rd นะครับ Okay.
I have the last question that how's the grade with ACC will be calculated in eGPA?
I think the same thing นะครับ These are the exempt costs นะครับ so we not included this exempt cost in the calculations นะครับ so the exempt costs come from those TU courses ครับ so it's the same we take out those courses to be fair so just only the cost that student can take นะครับ some student can exempt then we don't calculate those courses.
I also have additional 2-3 questions coming in live right now. Let's start with the first one. The English courses are not TU courses that I exempted, such as LAS 101. Will this course be calculated in the eGPA?
For LAS นะครับ these are the courses yeah please wait นะครับ yes LAS will be calculated นะครับ
But the student got exempted.
yes it will be counted and only the TU courses that they are not counted นะครับ
We have a question in Thai, so I'm going to switch this to Thai language a little bit. หลักสูตรที่มีกว.เรียนแล้วได้ใบรับรองวิชาชีพเลยหรือไม่
อันนี้เดี๋ยวให้ทางแต่ละสาขาที่เป็นวิศวกรรมเขาอธิบายให้ละกันนะครับ
I'm sorry อาจารย์ชวลิตครับ
ครับ
when the student exempt right they got accredited grade ACC there is no letter grade so there will be no effect on eGPA right
yes นะครับ wait นะครับ let me get the for the LAS นะครับ I will get back to you on this LAS again นะครับ they normally will not calculate it in the eGPA นะครับ
so basically when the grade is ACC accredited right there is no grade point for those courses so
yes.
it will not affect eGPA and also not affect cumulative GPA in the transcript as well
no ครับ because that one in the cumulative GPA that one we don't actually count that one in the GPA นะครับ
We also have the last question coming in. I think it's the program selection is optional or compulsory because if students have already selected their program since admission examinations, we might want to emphasize that this is compulsory.
Can you repeat the question again?
The program selection is optional or compulsory. The student asked this one because of student believe that they've already select their program when they apply for admission.
Oh.
So we have to probably mention that it's compulsory.
Yes. It's compulsory ครับ everyone needs to select the program นะครับ because we need to in the engineering group we need to again based on your eGPA to be able in order to select the select program นะครับ compulsory everyone must select it again
I would like to add that the program that student pick during admission is just for information only. It's not the real selection of the program. So everyone has to select their program again this time. During admission, we would like to know something like questionnaire. It's not program selection. So please do it again this time. It's compulsory.
Students seem to have a lot of questions about LAS 101 and GTS 101. They just submitted whether or not these courses, English courses like LAS 101 or GTS 101 are calculated or not.
Yes. These one are not calculated at all. They are not coming to get into the EGPA. Just only the subject that they study will be used to calculate the EGPA.
And this is that we don't see any more question in the first part of the Q&A sessions. So I would like to end the first part of Q&A session and move on to the second part of the Q&A sessions. So the second part of Q&A session will focus on insight information for each academic programs. We also have 2 additional breakout rooms. The first breakout room, which is this room, the main room for this one that you are in right now is designed for 5 engineering programs: civil engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and industrial engineering. So if students who are interested in one of these 5 engineering programs, please stay in this main room. You don't have to join the other 2 additional breakout rooms. Now, if we move to the second breakout room, this is for students who are interested in digital engineering and computer engineering programs. So please proceed to join the breakout room number 2 if you are interested to hear more information about DE and CPE programs. And then the last one, breakout room number 3, this is for students who are interested in BA, Business and Supply Chain Analytics programs. So if you are interested in BA, please proceed to join the breakout room number 3. Again, if you are interested in one of the 5 engineering programs, stay here in the main room. You don't have to join the breakout room. Breakout room number 2 for DE and CPE programs. Breakout room number 3, it is for BA programs. So let me give you a minute to join the breakout room in the program that you guys are interested in. So you can click in the icon toward the bottom of
Business and Supply Chain Analytics. This program focuses on the application of technology and business management for making informed decisions in the business and supply chain domain. It emphasizes data science techniques such as data visualization, AI, and machine learning, which are essential in today's business world. Business and Supply Chain Analytics. This program focuses on the application of technology and business management for making informed decisions in the business and supply chain domain. It emphasizes data science techniques such as data visualization, AI, and machine learning, which are essential in today's business world. Business and Supply Chain Analytics. This program focuses on the application of technology and business management for making informed decisions in the business and supply chain domain. It emphasizes data science techniques such as data visualization, AI, and machine learning, which are essential in today's business world.
Okay ครับ so as of now we have 9 participants so let maybe wait just like a couple minutes and then we will start the session all right just for a couple minutes okay Okay, let me start with the program. So again, at the end, if you have any questions, just you can just type in a chat or you can really maybe open the microphone and then ask. Okay. Okay. Anyone see the slide? Okay. Anyway, welcome to the BA session. Basically, we are going to start introduction for the BA program. Again, for this program, basically this is just the program under the School of Management Technology, and my name is Pisit, and I'm head of the School of Management Technology. So let's see, for the School of Management Technology, actually, as of now, we just changed the curriculum. Therefore, people who actually, well, register for the past, if you look at the course syllabus, the MT would be having a course of MTS, okay, but right now you get the course for BAS. It's just a new curriculum, which is basically accumulation or all of the combination of all 3 options that we had before. Okay, as of now, everything will be under the curriculum that we call Business and Supply Chain Analytics. Okay, so why management technology? Basically, what we learn. Okay, this program will cover business administration, operation management, and then data analytic parts, which basically a combination of these 3 to come up with the whole curriculum. For the focus, okay, focus of this program is trying to use technology science and engineering to solve business problems. Okay, so the majority of the course here, okay, we have the concept that we want to build a skill of people who can be the user, okay, to be a business major in operations, supply chain, and logistic areas, okay, and further, the focus would be on applying technologies and business management to get insights of the firm. Therefore, if you look at the word apply here, that means we are not really having much of the programming. Okay, some of you that might suffer from, I heard a lot that you suffer from programming in the first year. Basically, that one should be only, I think, should be only courses that we want to introduce you with the technologies that we are going to use in the future. All right, so later you learn application of those technology to apply the analysis technique and tools to convert patterns and relationship that we find in the data to create business strategy. So as of now, okay, you are going toward the new, well, more likely the main focus on business analytics. Therefore, the courses that you are going to take is going to be more likely related with analytics and operation more. Okay, so we just try to move you toward that end. Now, for the program of study, again, the curriculum name is BA, Business and Supply Chain Analytics. All right, I just want to introduce you with what you have to learn for the BA. This T-shape here showing you all of the courses that you are going to take. Okay, as I said, the courses will cover three main parts of your study. Okay, on the horizontal line, you will see that you will learn about the basic, I would say the general management courses, all right, which pretty much related with social science, business, like account, finance, and then management. Plus, you may learn some research methodology courses. Then on the vertical line of the this T shape here, if you pick the BA, okay, BSSA, these are going to be the courses that focus on what you are learning, well, on your major basically, okay, which is the T line in the middle one here, okay, and lastly at the end, it related with the some of the technology and tools that you can use to apply it. Okay, so that be just a basic idea for all that. Now, option for business and supply chain analytics, you see that we have three options. Okay, basically, business analytics, supply chain analytics, and then engineering management. All right. Therefore, as I said before, we just combine every options that we have before to be just one part or to be under only one curriculum, so it will be easier for us in terms of managing all that options. Okay, so that's why as of now, we have only one curriculum. However, that can break down to be three options later on as well. So this might be the choice that you can pick later. Now, for the first option, BA, okay, this BA here, they will learn about the tools and techniques in order for using to analyze and then solving business problems. Okay, again, in the past, this course would be more of the, well, this option would be more of the BA/MIS, but as of now, we are just geared toward the BA only. Okay, it is an application of using tool. Okay, application of all tools and technique, right, in order to fix business problem. And the one that I show you here is one of the project that the students are doing in terms of managing all the dormitory in one place. Okay, in one location. All right. So this is is it going to be what you are learning? You are going to use some tools in order to solve or to managing all of the business issues that you need to learn. Okay, and for BA, okay, for the BA option, so this is the first option, and if I show you the T shape again, the only difference would be in the middle here. The horizontal line courses here would be the same for every options, but the only difference would be in the vertical shape here, which is the courses for specific for business analytics. Okay, there are 5 courses that the BA option needs to take, and also technical elective. Okay, and the rest would be the same. So the graduates who actually get the credit from the BA option, the job that they can do would be kind of business analyst, data scientist, system analysis and managers, system administrator, MAS manager, IT project manager, and so on. All right. So this is what this option can do after they graduate. All right. Now for supply chain. Okay, supply chain management. All right. Again, the whole idea is just for this option is using tools and techniques in order to solve problem in the supply chain. All right. For the supply chain, basically it's just a flow between one end to the other. Therefore, this option can really look at controlling or analyzing the data that flow between all these entities. All right. We can extract meaningful insights and patterns from the data and then helping the supply chain of the firm. So the differences between BA and SA, which is supply chain analytics, would be also the vertical line in the middle here. For supply chain, it's going to learn about the courses on the right-hand side. Okay, 5 courses plus 2 technical elective. All right. And at the end, at the bottom of this vertical line, it's going to be the same, which is technology courses. All right. So graduate from this option can be supply chain analyst, operation analyst, inventory planner, manager, logistics analyst, supply chain consultant, and so on. All right. And the last option, EM. Okay. Now, EM is the option that graduates can learn about the business processes inside internal business processes of the firm. All right. They are using some technique, some technology in order to improve efficiency of the process inside of the firm. Okay. What they can do is actually handling administration and also helping the engineering, because they also learn some courses in engineering as well. Therefore, in terms of T-shape for EM courses, okay, the differences would be on the horizontal, okay, the basic that the EM student needs to learn is related with some engineering knowledge, all right? And for the vertical line here, there are also differences as well, because for the EM student need to learn some of the engineering management courses like production and inventory management, lean, facility location, digital transformation and robotic, and so on. So, and the rest would be the same for all options. Okay, so pretty much this is what I want to explain in terms of differences between all 3. And the graduates from EM can work on as the operations manager, product manager, process manager, quality assurance manager, and so on, project manager as well. These are just a brief introduction for it. Now, to look at options comparison, okay, there are a lot of questions that many students ask related with differences between all these 3 options. Now, let's focus on each one first, starting with engineering management. As I said, for EM or engineering management, the focus of their study would be on operation management within a firm or factory. Okay, they are going to learn about improving the process, things that related with the process inside of the firm. Okay, and for supply chain analytics, okay, they will learn about operation management across firms or supply chain. Okay, so engineering management will be inside the firm. Supply chain analytics, we will learn about things that link between firm to firms. And lastly, for business analytics, okay, they are going to use technology like some tools that really analyze data and then help them or help the firm to create better business strategy. So based on this table, hopefully you can understand that they are focusing on different aspects for the operation. Okay, and the line that I put extra here would show you position or after they graduate what they can do. Okay, so you can see that since the focus are different and the work that they can do also different as well. Okay, and these are the list of graduates, okay, since 2019 to 21. Okay, you can see that for MT grads, well, comparing with other departments or other schools, MT has more likely high number for graduates. Okay, further, this one would be employment rate. Okay, in comparison, MT has a really high employment rate as well. Okay, the one that you see on the right hand side at about 92. Okay, most of them who are, well, the reason that they are not 100% because some of them go abroad, actually study further abroad. That's why employment rate is a little dropping. Okay, so that is just the reason. Now, here's the average salary since 2019. Okay, you can see that, well, MT is one of the top as well, especially for EM. EM still pretty much in the same level as the other department or other school. Okay, so this is just the this is the result of the survey actually from Thammasat University that we can have some reference there. Okay, and for the student, after the first year, from the second year on, we will you need to take a class at another campus, which is Bangkok campus of Thammasat of SIIT. There would be a shuttle bus that run between two campuses. The distance is about 15 kilometers, and the shuttle bus is for free that you can take back and forth. Okay, and we have a schedule that actually we have a services every day that you can, even though you live at Rangsit, you can just go to Bangladesh for free, and you can take a class there. Okay, and we actually improve a lot of things in Bangladesh campus. Like here's the new facility in library. Okay, we have co-learning space, we have co-working space, right? And this is the new facility that we just finished about a couple of years ago. And also there will be a lot of improvement in the classroom. So the environment would be a lot better than before. Okay, so that would be just some of the introduction of the program that I would like to, well, introduce to you. Okay, and again, now I will give you the opportunity that if you have any question, just ask or just type in the question on chat, and then I can answer as well the best that I can. Okay, so any questions from the audience?
ขอสไลด์นี้ได้ไหมคะ
ครับได้เดี๋ยวอืมเดี๋ยวผมไปโพสต์ไว้ที่เอ่อตัว Facebook ของ MT แล้วกันครับ
ได้ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
โอเคแล้วไปดาวน์โหลดเอาไปดูจากที่นั้นแล้วกันครับโอเค any other questionsโอเคเหมือนไม่มีโอเคครับso if there are no questions anymore I would like to end the session so again if you have any questions that you want to ask you can basically contact me or contact the secretary of the department or of the school which I think they are for sure willing to help all of you. Okay. Maybe you might not have a questions right now. You can ask me and other faculty members later on, or even for maybe some specific question you can ask your advisor as well. Okay. Thank you very much for participating. Okay. Hope to see you soon at Magadi campus later. Thank you very much.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ว่านผมปิดเซสชันเลยนะครับ
สักครู่นะคะอาจารย์ช่วยทำแบบประเมินให้อ่ะค่ะเดี๋ยวว่านจะแชร์เป็นสไลด์เป็นช่วยสแกนแล้วก็ทำแบบประเมินให้ว่านหน่อยนะคะสักครู่นะก็เปิดในห้องย่อยใช่ไหมห้องย่อย
ผมก็ไม่ได้เปิดกล้องเลย
ค่ะเห็นที่ว่านแชร์ไหมคะอาจารย์
เห็นแล้วครับ
โอเคช่วยนักศึกษาช่วยรบกวนประเมินให้หน่อยค่ะ
มีจิตตามาเชียร์ด้วยเดี๋ยวนะ participant เหลือ7 คนเองอ่ะSI ก็4แล้วอ่ะเพราะว่ามีคนทำเหรอ
ถ้าทำแบบสอบถามแล้วถ้าไม่มีคำถามอะไรเพิ่มเติมอะค่ะนักศึกษาสามารถลิฟต์ออกจากกลุ่มได้เลยค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
ทำไมกล้องผมไม่สว่างเลยอ่ะน่าทำปิดปีบ้านผมรีบได้ยัง
อาจารย์รีบได้เลยถ้าเด็กไม่มีคำถามอะไรแล้วตอนนี้น่าจะเหลือแค่เราแล้วค่ะเหลือแค่อาจารย์
ใช่แล้วครับ
บ้านแล้วก็พี่โนจิตราแล้วก็ SIIT โอเครีบได้เลยค่ะอาจารย์ขอบคุณมากเลยค่ะ
ครับผมสวัสดีครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
ดีจิตตา